Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Go Dynamic IT. In today's video, we are going to explore how we can reset the D-Link DIR615 router. While you may have come across other content creators videos covering two ways to reset the router, but in this video, I will show you how to reset the router in three ways. Actually, last one is super easy and simple, but not many people knows about it. So let's get into the video and continue to reset the router in all three possible ways. I'm going to show you the first method to reset the router. So you can see on my screen, this is my Ethernet adapter, and this router is connected directly to my PC via Ethernet cable. So as of now, you can see here, this is connected well and good, and the IP address is 100.153 and all, right? And after resetting that router, it will back to 0.1 series, 192.168.0.1 series IP. As you can see here, this is my D-Link DIR615 router. Let me turn it back and show it to you. And back side of the router, you can see here you have a reset button here. You can see this is the reset button. Okay, you notice the light here, and now I am going to reset the router from the back end. You just notice the LED, and when I press the reset button for 10 seconds, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10, and release this button. You can see here the internet light is blinking. That means this router got resetted, and you can notice that on the computer as well. This LAN got disconnected for second, and then it's trying to identify it, and you can see this light is continue blinking. That means this router has been resetted. And once the router has been resetted, you can see your LAN card will show you the different IP. So you can see here it's trying to reboot multiple times. The first time it's rebooted like right after this resetting the router, and then second time it's rebooted. Now you can see here the IP address. Let's notice the IP address on this one router. You can see here this is showing you the 192.168.0.153. That means this router got resetted. So now when we try to log into this router 192.168.0.1, enter, and let's see what it shows here. So this is again this is resetted to factory default. You can see here it says the customer, it's the first time to device to turn on. That means it says that this router has been resetted. So this is the first option. Now we have to go and soft reset the router. Now I'm going to show you the second way to reset your router. So suppose that this is my router, and I've lost the username and password or something. It's not working on this router, right? So now it's time to reset it. So I'm going to show you how you can do it with the soft. That's called soft reset the router, soft boot. So you have to go to the management, and the management you have to go to administration. And in administration you have a option called factory. You can see here the factory here. It says the factory reset default setting. Just click here, and it says that are you going to continue the restore factory default? Yes, I want to. And this is going to reset your router. It's gonna take some time. You can see here this is restoring the factory default. So this method is good when you have devices not reachable to you. I mean, you cannot physically reset the router, so it's always better to go to the software GUI of this router and then reset it from there itself. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how we can reset the router with the third option. And so this is very simple and easy way to do reset our router. So what we have to do is, let's say I'm planning to change our router to different mode. So this one you can see here. This router is configured in PPOE mode, and now I want to change this router as an access point mode, right? So for that you have to change the reset the router and change the mode. So for that, what you have to do is the very simple way to do is you have to go to the setting and click on the setup wizard. So when you click on the setup wizard, it will do the factory reset for you. You can see here, in order to run the initial configuration, the device should be reset to the factory default, and click on the OK. And now you can see here, this is restoring the factory default. So this is how you can reset your router in three simple, easy way. So that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, concern and query related to the videos, please put me in the comment box. And thank you very much for watching my video.